10 Great Ways to Boost Your Immune System. Your immune system plays such a huge part in your overall health and how it performs. It helps fight off infection and generally has a big bearing on how healthy you are. What we eat and how we look after our body has a big effect on our immune system. We take a look at 10 ways of improving your immune system. 1. Get those hours in bed. It's something we've all heard before, but a good night's sleep has a big bearing on your overall health, especially your immune system. Adults should aim for around 8 hours sleep per night, as too little sleep depresses the immune system, making it easier for you to get ill and get infections. 2. Drink plenty of water. Another standard way of ensuring your body is in a much better health state is by drinking enough water on a daily basis. Water hydrates your body, flushing out the bad toxins from the body in the process. It also helps to carry nutrients to blood cells, helping your immune system protect the body. How much water you should drink each day will depend on how active you are, but try to get around 8 cups of water a day as a minimum. 3. Berries and greens. What we eat has a big bearing on our immune system, and 2 food groups in particular are worth eating to help your immunity: berries and green vegetables. Foods like blueberries, cranberries, kale, spinach and broccoli are high in flavonoids, polyphenols and antioxidants, which all play a big role in maintaining a healthy immune system. 4. Get the garlic in. Garlic is a great flavor addition to any dish, but many people can be put off by the smell that comes from it. Garlic contains an ingredient called allicin, which helps fight infection and bacteria, all aiding the immune system. So don't be afraid of adding a little bit of garlic to your favorite dishes in the future. 5. Manage stress. This may seem like a simple way to help your immune system, but for many it can be tough to find a way to do it. Long-term stress can lead to things like anxiety, depression, lack of sleep, high blood pressure and even digestive problems, all of which can impact on your immune system. Different people cope with stress in different ways, but some of the most popular include exercising, meditating, cooking and reading before bed. 6. Nuts and seeds. Another good food group to add to your diet to help your immune system is nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds are a good source of selenium, which helps support the normal function of the immune system. Seeds like flaxseed and chia seeds are a good source of iron, which plays a big part in transporting oxygen around the body, which helps aid the immune system. 7. Avoid smoke and alcohol. Alcohol and tobacco consumption both impair and undermine the basic functions of the immune system, so cutting down on your intake of both of these can be a good way to reduce the damage being done to your immune system. No smoking and drinking only in moderation will be a big help to your immunity. 8. Take in the sun. The sun is a great source of vitamin D, a vitamin that plays a big role in your immune system. While the sun can be a great source of vitamin D, you don't want to be overexposed to it, as you risk harming your skin. Oily fish can be one great way of getting vitamin D into your system, but if you want to get 100% of your recommended intake of vitamin D in one easy spoonful, just try out our milled flax seed with biocultures and vitamin D. 130 grams serving will give you 100% Rhea vitamin D. 9. Enjoy the power of mushrooms. They can work well in almost any dish, and you'll be surprised at just how good mushrooms can be for you. Mushrooms are loaded with polysaccharides known as beta-glucans, which have been linked to strengthening the immune system. Mushrooms also contribute to the production of white blood cells, making them great to eat when coming down with an infection. 10. Enjoy the superpower of sweet potato. Believe it or not, your immune system actually begins with your skin, as it plays a big role in fighting against unwanted bacteria and infection. Your skin needs vitamin A to stay healthy, and vegetables like sweet potato, pumpkin and squash are a great source of this vital vitamin. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon button for more such videos.